Hey there folks, it's Yakan here from Trend Ground. So today GoPro Malaysia will be launching their latest action camera, which is the GoPro Hero 12 Black for the local market. And in this video we are going to check out what are they going to be announcing and so much more. So stay tuned on these videos. Alright, so what we have here is the GoPro Hero 12 Black. So this has been attached with the lens mount. This is how it looks like. Awesome. And then we go and check out. On the side of the packaging box, you can get all the latest features that is offering over here. I'm not gonna go through it, so if you want to see more, then pause the video. Yeah, this is magnificent. So this is the standard GoPro Hero 12 Black with all the accessories being attached. You can see there's the mic, the LED flash, and the charging case as well. So it's also being attached onto the remote control stand as well. Yeah, it's cool. So this is the lens mount itself with the casing. So once again, if you want to check out the specification, make sure to pause.
When to image quality, GoPro is in a class of its own, and this year we're taking up to the next level with the Hero 12. Okay, and this year the Hero 12 comes with the all-new HDR video, which enhance your video footages significantly by capturing multiple footage and compile into one video after you click the shutter button. And last year we've introduced the 10-bit video in Hero 11 Black, and this year we are adding the GP lock and LUTs into the mix. Cool video, right? Okay, next is Hypersmooth. Just wanna ask you guys, any one of you knows what Hypersmooth is? Anyone? Come on, family members. Stabilization, yes. So, Hypersmooth was first introduced back in the Hero 7 Black, and this year with Hypersmooth 6.0, it comes with improved auto boost feature that can analyze up to 4 times the data compared to Hypersmooth 5.0. But what is Hypersmooth auto boost, right? So basically it improves the shakiest or sudden movement in a footage without sacrificing any stabilization. So no matter how, like, you do a backflip, front flip, or whatnot, the camera will stay your horizon will stay level. Okay, so take a closer look of this horizon lock off and on. And Ron, take it away. Wow. So last year we've introduced a new sensor. It's 8x7 sensor, which was introduced into the Hero 11 Black with almost 1/1.9 inch sensor. Okay, and shooting in 8x7, right, give you the most flexibility. Like, you can crop in any aspect ratio when you are doing your post editing. But what if you don't have the time or the desire to crop in post? So now we introduce you to the new vertical capture mode. So this vertical capture mode, this new feature, you can mount your GoPro horizontally and let the Hero 12 Black do its magic by shooting 9x16 frame. Cool, right? So now let's see why this horizontal mounting GoPro is a thing of the past.
And so now we have 2 times longer runtime. Alright? Just to clarify, we did not change the batteries. The batteries are the same, they are the Enduro batteries, alright? But what we've done is we've increased the power management, alright? So how I'm going to explain this is, I'm not going to use very technical terms, I'm going to use simple layman terms so that you can understand. When you get home from work, let's say you open your door, you switch on your hall lights, right? And then you go in your kitchen, you switch on those lights as well. And then you go into the washroom, you use the washroom, you switch on those lights as well. You go into your bedroom, you switch on those lights as well. So what you're doing is you're sitting at home with everything running at home, right? So you consume more energy. So what we've done is that we've changed that. If you're in the living room and you move to your kitchen, the living room lights will switch off. When you're in your kitchen and you go to your bathroom, the kitchen lights will switch off. So what happens here is actually the power optimization through our own software, whereby, right, when you're in a certain mode or using in a certain mode or using certain resolutions and frame rates, the power consumption will only go to that certain amount. So that means if you're using 4 gigs of RAM, you're only using 2 gigs of RAM, right? And this power optimization, to be honest, is actually quite spectacular because you get at least 70 minutes out of shooting 5.3K at 60 frames per second and up to at least 1 hour shooting 4K 120. But if you look at like 1080p and 30 frames, you're getting 90 minutes there, right? So it's actually doubling up the actual usage of the camera with the same battery with just software power optimization. Now, this was a tricky process for the team, but finally over years they have managed to do it, and we should give them a big round of applause for it, to be honest.
I've been waiting for so long, which is the wireless audio connectivity. So this one is awesome. Now you can connect to your favorite AirPods to record wireless audio, to deliver command like GoPro take photo, and at the same time, if you play back your video, you can hear through from your AirPods. Up to 4 Bluetooth devices at the same time, whether it's from your AirPods, your Volta, your remote, or let's say your Quick App. 4 times, same time. And
10-inch collapsed pole, but when you stretch it out, it goes all the way up to 48 inches, right? And you can see the quad 20 mount up there. It comes with the mounting finger adapter as well as the ball joint adapter at the same time, so you can choose which one you want. Wrist strap, definitely you don't want to lose that when you're underwater or anywhere. It comes with a shutter remote at the same time, right? And you have your remote strap and of course your thumb screw. So this will be launching in October, so it will be made available to public then through all the authorized dealers. So this one's pretty cool. We don't have it right now, but it works like the shorty. You just pull it up, locks it. Pretty good product. Alright, and the lineup is the Hero 12 Black for 1,999, the Hero 12 Black Creator Edition for 2,999, and the Max Lens More 2.0 for 519. Chin Chin, do I have the pricing right? Yeah, alright!
So I have the demo unit over here, the GoPro Hero 12 Black. Yeah, so looks pretty cool, and this year it has a new design, you can see. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So you definitely can recognize this from the side of it, 12 Black, and also the new pattern this year being applied on this demo unit here. Pretty much everything is very intuitive. It's nice, amazing as well. And yeah, this year you have another extra mount over here. You can just directly mount to your tripods or anything. Yeah, I have to say it looks much more better this time in terms of the aesthetic looks of it. So let's just do a quick browsing as well. So this year you can switch to HDR video as well. So you can do HDR video up to 4K 60 frames per second here. That I think is pretty awesome. And these are the lenses it supports. You can change the hyper smooth itself, turn it off, auto boost, or just let it normal hyper smooth do its thing. Yeah, there's a lot of things you can try. So this is just a quick preview for you guys over here. Not gonna explain too much until I have the loan review unit. So hopefully you guys love it. Alright, so what I have here is the GoPro Hero 12 with the Max Lens Mod 2.0 over here. So let's uncover it up. Whoa, that is nice, seriously nice. So let's just fire it up. And let us just have a look. So you can go for wide shots over here. You can go for max super view. You can see the field of view is getting even larger and larger and larger. So let's just see. Whoa, that's amazing. And then here is the max super view. Yeah, nice. So if you really need a wider shot, you really need to get this lens mod. It's really important. So as you can see, yeah, not bad, not bad. Definitely worth to get it if you're a content creator and someone that is like avid recording your movement a lot, your journey. This is definitely an upgrade that won't be disappointing. Alright, so basically that's the launch of the GoPro Hero 12 Black in Malaysia. So as you have heard from GoPro themselves, price now starts from 1,999 ringgit Malaysia. So definitely there is a lower starting price point compared to the predecessor, and I think this is going to be a good time for those who are planning to upgrade or maybe purchase a new action camera. There's a lot of features being packed onto the GoPro Hero 12 Black this time. I think it's really good for those who wants to do a lot of content creation and also professional video as well, because this time you have all the time sync, there's HDR videos, the GP log, and lots, so many more inside. And also the most important thing is definitely the improved battery right now. Yeah, the improved battery life is going to help a lot for content creators to capture even more moments for their content, for the audience to watch. So yeah, so I'll try to request a review unit for this GoPro Hero 12 Black, so make sure to stay tuned on the YouTube channel and also the social media. But for now, I'm going to sign off here. I'm Yaken once again for Trend Ground. If you like all this content, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and follow us on the social media. Last but not least, head to our website, go and read all the latest news and perhaps some of the articles I'm going to write out about in the lifestyle category. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoy this one. I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, peace.